If you want to sell digital products or services at any price, and I mean between $1,000 to even $50,000, this secret weapon persuades your potential clients to pay you this amount of money and to say thank you for your help. What am I talking about? Continue watching this video till the end and I will explain to you the exact strategy. My name is Max Cecco and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a seven-figure business. The number one weapon to sell digital products or services at any price is called application funnel. In other words, to buy what you sell, your potential clients have to go through a qualification process and a special psychology strategy is involved: reverse selling. Bear with me till the end of this video because it is a game changer for your business. First of all, I want to be sure you know what a sales funnel is. A sales funnel is a marketing strategy that allows you to build a relationship with your potential clients in order to persuade them to buy what you are selling. It consists of two pillars. Pillar number one, communication. Your persuasive words, written and spoken, help your potential client choose you instead of the competition and create the right expectations and messages in order to indoctrinate and persuade your prospects to become paid clients ethically. Pillar number two, technical stuff. The second pillar is the infrastructure you put in place to share your message with your audience, even in a 100% automated way. For instance, landing pages, email marketing, marketing automation, SMS marketing, and so on. With that being said, our application funnel consists of only 3 steps. Step number 1, squeeze page. This page allows you to convert visitors into subscribers. They become your prospects, potential clients interested in your message. Step number 2, indoctrination video. One single video in a simple web page provides all the value and lets you easily sell your product or service. In this case, your potential client will not complete the online transaction, but they must fill out an application first. Step number 3, application process. Below the video there is a button that lets you fill out an application to go through a qualification process. As you can see, in this specific qualification process, I ask prospects to fill out 19 questions. In addition, when I receive an application, potential clients know precisely what they want to buy, even the price of the digital product. In a nutshell, this specific qualification process includes everything potential clients need to know before speaking with someone over the phone. Honestly, I prefer working in this way for 2 main reasons. Reason number 1, the phone call duration is between 20 and 30 minutes. I don't want to spend my collaborators' time giving basic information that can immediately disqualify the prospect. Indeed, I prefer they disqualify themselves before the phone call. Reason number 2. When I receive the application, these prospects are very hot contacts. It means that the closing process is faster and easier. Keep in mind that, especially when you sell high-ticket products or services, you can't expect someone to be ready and confident to buy your stuff by only clicking a button and completing the online transaction. The application form allows your prospects to book a call with a professional in order to discuss if this product or service is a good fit for them. In this case, the prospect has the opportunity to speak with someone over the phone and ask questions. In addition, to make the most out of this application funnel, I recommend you set up an email marketing campaign as well in order to persuade more people to fill out the application. Your prospect will make an online payment normally during the phone call and they can get access to the private area instantly. Now, let me share with you the hidden secret behind the application funnel. As I told you at the beginning of this video, I use a selling technique called reverse psychology. First of all, the number one aspect to pay attention to is how to create the indoctrination video correctly. The number of applications you will receive will be determined by how persuasive your video content is. Obviously, there is a defined structure for this content that I will not explain right now. What you have to do? is teach something without teaching. What does it mean? It means that in this video you will teach what they have to do to reach their desired outcome, but not how. To learn how, they have to buy your product or service. Secondly, this video content lets you work persuasively on your potential client's belief system. In other words, to gently push them to fill out the application, you have to answer all the important questions and doubts that can prevent your potential clients from buying your product or service. I perfectly know you need more information about it, and you will receive it at the end of this video. Stay with me now. The best part is that even if potential clients want to buy what you sell, they can't. This is when reverse psychology comes into place. The application form is structured to transform potential clients into sellers. In other words, they have to sell to themselves while you have to accept them as clients. This process is terrific, I love it, and it works like magic. Obviously, don't underestimate the phone call. Indeed, there is a defined process even to close people over the phone. They become clients only when they place the order. And with that being said, I have two suggestions for you. First of all, below this video, I put a link to 3 important videos that allow you to answer the most important questions, thanks to which you will be able to create this indoctrination video. Secondly, since your ability to close over the phone is demanded, I highly recommend watching this video. How to close big sales deals over the phone in 3 steps. Selling is always fascinating, but closing is what really counts because you are paid to close the sale. So, watch this video now.